Understanding, to be in the picture. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across, to be in the picture. Understanding such expressions is crucial for enhancing your language skills and grasping the nuances of English. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it in your conversations, and some examples to clear up any confusion. Stay tuned. The phrase, to be in the picture, generally means to be informed or aware of a situation or all the relevant facts. It suggests that a person is up to date with the latest developments or understands what's happening in a particular context. This expression is commonly used in both professional settings and casual conversations. Using to be in the picture is quite straightforward. It's typically used to express that someone has all the necessary information or is part of a conversation or decision-making process. You can use it when you want to confirm that you're fully informed or when questioning if someone else is aware of the current situation. Example sentences. 1. Make sure everyone is in the picture before we proceed with the project. 2. I've been out of the office for a week. Could you bring me back into the picture? 3. Before making any decisions, it's important that all members are in the picture. It's easy to confuse to be in the picture with actually being physically present in a photograph. While it can literally mean that, in most contexts, it figuratively refers to being informed. It's essential to understand the difference based on the conversation's context. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to be in the picture. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use this expression effectively in your English conversations. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also make you a more proficient English speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using to be in the picture in your daily conversations. See you in our next video.